Morning. My name's Van. I'm with Level8 Trading. We're going to do a little pre-market recap or pre-market look this morning, like every morning. We've had a little sell-off in NQ and ES since 7 o'clock. It ran down to Globex VWAP initially. It found some support at the 5-minute 200 and then has moved down a little bit further since then. We had some inflationary news earlier around 7:30. We can go look at that. Let's see. We had housing starts and permits. Big miss here. Expecting something like over 1.4 million. We had less than 1.2. It's fairly big. Not positive for the economy. Import-export prices very inflationary. This could be a double-edged sword. They might look at it putting pressure on the Fed to lower interest rates, but that hasn't been the reaction so far. That's just inflationary news. What is surprising to me is that we've seen these treasuries hold up. They have come down a little bit. They've just started coming down. They held up through here all the way, and we're about to run down to that target zone down there. Let's go look at our key ranges. So this is the run. This is the rundown from earlier, 7 o'clock my time, Central Time, Texas time. Initial rundown to 5-minute 8 on NQ, Globex VWAP on AS, then we're turning around on the 5-minute 200 on ES. So that's why we watch these things. They drive each other all day long in terms of they'll hit these levels and turn the other one the other way. So, and a lot of times we do look for the second one to hit. So we may expect when NQ comes down to its 200 and ES hasn't, that it will go ahead and get that 200 and vice versa when they're moving. We've got Globex VWAP inside yesterday's value area, volume profile value area on both of them. This is a neutral read and rotational. It's kind of what we expected this for the whole week, really. It's a Fed week. We get low volume. We have some low VIX here, so we're going to have some lower volatility just like yesterday. There's those treasuries standing up. It's too early for our sector information. If we go look at relative volume, 81% here over the last 15 sessions for this time of day. It was in the 60s most of yesterday. I wouldn't be surprised to find it there again today, and we'll have that same type of, we could easily have that same type of ugly price action that we had yesterday. I hope that's not the case, but it was ugly all day yesterday. So, and let's move over there. And that's that chart. We're obviously at the top of our 5-day range here in terms of the previous day's highs and lows. Go ahead and take that off. Back to our key ranges here. So you guys can see the levels. Make a note of them if you want. Come here and turn those off, turn that on. And here's yesterday's highs and lows. Those are institutional size levels. Let's go ahead and get these off too. And go put that one to sleep. Okay. We've had a little bit of range expansion from yesterday's high. We're pretty close to it. Nothing's happened all night. That's what that's a function of. This is yesterday's auction. Basically, this is yesterday's high and low. A little bit of expansion on the pre-market. And again, we watch for these to turn each other all day long. So unless we get some type of trending action. Yesterday was a little unusual, coming out of some extension on MACD here. And we're out of squeezes. We had a little squeeze going earlier. That's where we're at right now, guys. So the read right now would be rotational, low volume, maybe, overlapping price action. Not very easy to trade. You just have to really focus on those micro level entries if you want to trade this. So we look for entries in and along these standard levels. These are on 25s right now because of the ATR level, but we expect there to be resting orders on these, and you'll see them turn around, and you might, we got a close here, we got a little confirmation, we could have made an offer there and gotten down. So that's the kind of thing that we do. And if, again, join us in our discount room, go to our Discord room, go to level8trading.com, and it's a free thing for you to observe and learn a bit about what we're doing.